Okay, Maros. If I'm saying your name wrong, I apologize. Basically, we're just going to. I'm going to show you where everything is. So what I did was I went to extend customer database. It's taking a little bit. I created a CRM form called PAP tracking. We'll name this something else once we get going, but this is just a test. And form field is PAP field. And it's attached to orders, okay? But for the proof of concept, we don't really need to use this at the moment. This will be used later. Then in modules, I went into web forms and created a PAP test order form. Here it is. So basically, this is required. I mean, in the HTML, you can chop this out, but it's not important. Then we have email address, and then this is where the custom field gets stored. Okay. So if you look at, I mean, you can add more, drag and drop them. That's not. You can do whatever you want here. But to get to the point, all I did was get HTML from here. I had a redirect. I gave it a name, 3mdcom.com. Generate HTML code. I highlighted everything in here, copied and pasted it. Okay. Then, once that was done, I went to the, oops, I'm sorry, I'm going to go back there for a second. I'm jumping too fast. I want to show you one small thing. In the in up here, this defines how it functions, this form, and I've got it's by default selected create customer case. I don't know how to shut it off to go any other way, so I think that's their only option, but I can, we'll find out. Okay. And then I click create sales opportunity. You can uncheck this, you can play with this stuff, whatever you want to do, okay? You know, there's obviously, you can turn the workflows on. You know, you can have it, don't subscribe to a secure zone. I just did. All right. Whatever. It doesn't matter. So just hit save it. Okay, so then I went to the website. Let's see, it's a landing page, PAP landing page. So I just pasted the HTML code in here. All right, all this is what was in the other one. And then here's the custom form field, right there. That's what it assigned it as. So all we're going to do is we're going to take this value and assign it whatever it is you have in your cookie, you know. At the end of the day, that's all done. We run it. This is what it looks like. So I said Maros quality unit subscriptions. You know what? Support. I'm just gonna do this. And test this for Maros. Blah, blah. Submit. Boom. Brings me back to the page. Redirects me. So now if we go to, you'll see it's right here. Okay. That's the quickest way to get to it. You can click on this, or you can go to customers cases. We'll just click on this. Okay, so here's all the customer stuff. It's entered into the CRM. And if you go to cases, you'll see there's one case, and here it is, right there. Now, if you go to customers, I've done this already. I've done it several times. I've done my name. Let's go view customer cases. I've got two. Okay, I got one. Blah blah blah. And I got a different one here. So you can have apparently have multiple. There's a case number here assigned to it. You can have multiple custom field, multiple cases, so it can go over and over and over again. So I don't know how you want it. If you take the last one, take the first one, take all of them. I suppose it works just like it would work if you had multiple cookies, right? But that's up to you. Anyway, so that shows you where everything is. So again, under the web forms, PAP test order, you can edit it this way, or you can click on it using the old version. Website, it's PAP landing page. Okay, now once we get this all tested, then we'll go to the sales page, the actual an actual sales page, and we'll assign the extended customer database stuff, wherever that is. This is for later on. This is this field. It should add to the order, and I think you don't necessarily need to have a case. But we'll play with that. I just want to make sure. Worst case scenario, we'll use cases. But if I can get around it and attach it to orders, then we can save some steps. But I just want to have the proof of concept working, so we don't waste time. Okay? All right. Let me know if you have any questions.